Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing how to make egusi soup. Please watch this video to the end to see how I was able to make the soup. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. First in my pot, I added my beef. Then I went in with my chopped onion, my seasoning cube, my blended pepper and some salt to taste. I'll just give this a good mix and let it cook. Once this has cooked for some minutes, I'll go in with my stock fish. Then I'll be adding water to this. I'll close my pot again and I'll still let it to cook. If you notice, the meat is not well cooked here, so I have to still let it to cook. And here our meat is cooked, so I'll go in with my palm oil. Please remember to add enough oil as possible. Then I'll also let this cook. Next I'll go in with my cow skin, which is also known as pomo. I'll just give this a good mix. Then I'm going to close my pot and let this cook for some minutes also. And here I'll be adding my egusi, which is the blended melon seed. I'll be adding the egusi to the pot. If you notice, it's a bit thick. So when making your egusi soup, I would advise you don't put too much water at first. If the water is not enough, you can add more water to it. Instead of putting too much water, at the end, your egusi might become watery because it's not thick. So I just added more oil to this, but if your oil is okay, you don't need to add more. If you notice, this is getting thick, so at some point I'll add extra water to this. I'll just give this a good mix to make sure there are no lumps in it, so to make sure the egusi is well dissolved. I'll go in with my grinded crayfish. Then I'll be adding my crabs. If you don't like crabs, you can skip this. It's totally optional. I'll give this a good mix to make sure it is well combined. Next, I'll go in with my periwinkle. Some persons don't also like it. If you don't like it, please do well to skip anything you don't like. If you have more proteins to add to your meal, do well to add to your taste. This is what I'm using for the soup. If you notice, I added water because it's getting thicker. I'll just let this cook for some minutes to make sure my egusi cooks well. And this is what we're having here. We're not yet done. The last thing I'll be adding is my leaf. I use vegetable leaf for this. So you go in with your leaf. You can use your bitter leaf, uziza leaf. You can use any leaf for your choice. So I use vegetable leaf and I'll just give this a good mix. I'll not let it overcook. Just give this a good mix and I'm done with the soup. So let me know what you think about this method of making your egusi soup. Please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. You can also subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.